Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marshes with your Friday morning forecast update. We'll wrap up the week here with the hot and humid weather that we experienced yesterday. It looks likely that we'll see some rain again today south of Interstate 20 and an increase in the rain late this weekend. And we do have showers and storms in the forecast for much of next week. So let's break everything down for you today. Likely into the mid-90s again this afternoon. So we'll see those heat indices with the high humidity probably over 100 degrees. So again, not that we're seeing comfortable weather this morning, but the best time to be outside will probably be before 10 or 11 a.m. this morning. We're actually starting out close to 80 degrees in a lot of areas, so similar to yesterday, we're off to that warm start. We should see some sunshine as well as that south breeze today. Get the south breeze. It is a warm wind off the Gulf of Mexico, and the indication this morning, again, we have wind speeds about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so the sea breeze is already kind of kicked in down along the coastline. So it is looking likely that we'll see some rain south of I-20. So not that it's any consolation. It may hold a few areas in the low 90s this afternoon, but it's going to be a pretty hot day just about everywhere. So overall weather pattern here, you can see our front for late this weekend continues to slide a little bit further south into Kansas as well as Missouri. So the rain is not moved much further south, but it is slowly progressing towards us. Looks like this front will stay away from us tomorrow, but we may begin to pull some rain off of this by Sunday. In the short term here, today and tomorrow, we'll kind of rely on the sea breeze, and you can see some of those showers kicking up along the coastline. Again today, the south breeze will try to push some of those coastal showers up into the Arklatex here. Big ridge of high pressure, that's what's been cooking us here for the last day or two. It's buckling a little bit, which is letting this, again, cold front slide to the south here. This ridge will probably hold on tomorrow, which is why we don't have a ton of rain in the forecast for Saturday, but by the time this thing breaks down Sunday to Monday, we'll see our rain chances go up. So let's go through today and the weekend on your Robin's Toyota Futurecast. We are showing the partly cloudy conditions this morning. Interesting note, Futurecast handled the sea breeze really well yesterday, bringing the rain in the afternoon. It actually shows some of these showers developing by 10, 11 o'clock this morning. So it is possible we could see some rain by noon in maybe Shelby County, Sabine, Natchitoches, DeSoto, Red River parishes. We hit the afternoon hours here. Even a few thunderstorms get going south of I-20 here. We don't expect any severe weather, but as we saw with some of the storms yesterday, they can put down quite a bit of lightning and maybe some gusty winds here. So we'll have to be mindful of that. Futurecast is showing the rain maybe pushing up to I-20. It's not going to be a lot of it if we do see rain in Shreveport today, and I think once again Texarkana, you'll probably stay dry today as well as tomorrow. We'll be relying on the sea breeze on Saturday to kind of push some of the rain in as well, but I've kept the rain chance in that 20% category. So if you have outdoor plans Saturday, I think heat will continue to be the biggest issue, as we'll have highs in the low to mid 90s again tomorrow. I think Sunday's the day we'll start to see a little bit of an uptick in the rainfall here. We picked things up on Sunday morning. Again, probably a dry start to the day, but once the temperature is warm, with that frontal boundary to the north of us here, we'll probably see a little stronger push from the sea breeze. So do have a 30% chance of rain in there on Sunday. Again, not a washout day, so I think your outdoor plan's in pretty good shape on Sunday too. It will continue to run pretty hot as we'll be in the low to mid 90s. Now we do have rain in the forecast each day next week. Adding it all up, Futurecast has been pretty consistent in keeping the 1 to 2 inch totals here closer to where that cold front will stall out next week. So with the front stalled out here in the northern Arklatex, you'll see a little more in the way of consistent rain in those locations each afternoon next week. Again, next week not a washout, but we can expect to pick up maybe an inch of rain just about all areas with some isolated spots, maybe 2 inches or so, if not just a touch higher. I don't anticipate any flash flooding here, as the rain chance basically in that 30, 40, 50% category. Most of the rain will be confined to the afternoon each day. We will have a little bit of a temperature drop with the increase in the rain Monday, Tuesday, so I still have us in the upper 80s and low 90s for much of next week.